Hello and welcome to Agile Scrum Mania. Today we are discussing about Sprint Retrospective. A Sprint Retrospective is a meeting that takes place at the end of every sprint. It allows the Scrum team to reflect on the sprint and discuss what went well, what didn't go well, and what could be improved. The main goal is to promote continuous improvement and help the team work more effectively together in future sprints. This meeting is part of the Scrum framework and is held after the sprint review and before the next sprint begins. The entire Scrum team attends the retrospective, including the Scrum Master, product owner, and developers. Stakeholders usually do not attend, as this meeting is meant for the team only. For a 2-week sprint, the retrospective typically lasts about 90 minutes. The Scrum Master facilitates the session and ensures that it stays focused, productive, and respectful. The team usually answers 3 key questions: what went well, what didn't go well, and what can we improve? To make the discussion more engaging and structured, teams often use simple facilitation techniques. One common method is start-stop-continue, where the team discusses what to start doing, what to stop doing, and what to continue doing. Another popular method is mad, sad, glad, where team members express what made them mad, sad, or glad during the sprint. This helps uncover both emotional and process-related feedback. The sailboat or speedboat method is a visual technique where the team imagines a boat representing the sprint. Wind helps move the boat forward, positives. Anchors slow it down, negatives, and rocks or obstacles represent risks or blockers. These techniques help create an open atmosphere, encourage participation, and make it easier to identify improvement areas as a group. The main output of a retrospective is a short list of improvement actions that the team agrees to try in the next sprint. These actions should be realistic, trackable, and reviewed in the next retrospective to assess progress. Psychological safety is essential so that team members can share honest feedback without fear of blame. In summary, the Sprint Retrospective helps the team continuously inspect and adapt, improve collaboration, and deliver better results over time. Please subscribe for more informative content.